So I just had my calories and I came home. Look, people want to know my diet, what I eat, and चल चलेगा, I'll बताता हूँ. In the morning, I eat calories, carbs. Then evening, if I am not in afternoon, I don't like to eat anything. Noons only liquid diet and few calories, very few, like 300 calories. That's it. Then uh, evening tea, and at night a meal, homemade, not outdoor, nothing, homemade. If any outdoor meal is there, then I get very pissed. I get very annoyed, and I avoid chicken. From past 3 years, I've been avoiding too much. Guns get loaded. The thing is, look, let's not talk this stuff, the guns and all. I'll speak about the. So people want to know my diet, what I eat. So that's why I give this. In the morning. But if I'm working out, then I'll be eating some protein and carbs. If I'm working out, eating, not aqua. Eating protein and I mean the solid version of protein, solid thing of protein and carbs. That's it. Fuck man, this face is smashed. But I got a technique to get this mountain off my face now. It's completely jammed and I have to. But anyways, it's my personal shit. I don't have to give this. And I don't have to give that monster thing as well. Because they have been pulling my. They must be saying something nonsense about me. So I have to give the real me. Real me is out there. You can ask to my exes. And today the event which was happened, I was pushing my calories and there came the plumber fellow near the RK mall. He was standing. And I asked him what happened. He said that he wants some. What chicken gives? Egg. So he wanted some egg. I was like, go in the RK Mall or RK Mall, no? RK Bazaar. I don't know what it's called. RK Mall or RK Bazaar. So, or the entire market is there. You will get the egg. And suspect comes. I don't want to look. Seriously, I feel bad already. I don't know who this Hindenburg and all this stuff is been doing, but in the morning, because of that reaction, I suspected this has happened. Because of that reaction, I suspect this has happened. So, now you see if the real criminals are not caught, how my head works. I don't want anyone to take advantage of this situation and तो मैं बोल दिया बस हो गया. This is a case information which I have to give and I gave it right on time. This has to be on record, which sometimes I feel I give too much of the events, which may be people might be living their normal life but events are happening, right? People ask me about this thing as well, what happened. I was like, the cap is removed and after the surgery and it's already the root canal was done. I don't know. I won't go for root canal again. Again and again doctors visits and all. I cannot do that. I'll pluck it out. Not me myself. I'll ask the dentist. So, one more thing you have to understand is you cannot fucking toothache. I shouldn't have said this. No, I'll speak about pain when there is any pain, any kind of physical pain. To get rid of pain and you are out of sources, then you have to think of something else, put your head into some other activity uh, which will make you forget the pain. But in toothache, it's not possible. I found out. After 15 minutes, it didn't. I thought it will go normal. It's not possible. It's not. It didn't happen last night. So that theory don't work on that toothaches. I mean, and what? This event happened, and the plumber came near there. The assistant of Kana, in red T-shirt, he came there, and he was standing near the RK Mall, and there was people passed around, and that's it. I got nothing to do with anyone. लोग मैं बोल रहा हूँ पहले भी I got nothing to do with anyone. Defaming me means you are. Why you want to do this? Live your life na happily. If you need any help, I'll help you. But keep some decency at least. Defaming me means what? You're starting a rivalry for no reason. What did I ever do to you? Tell me for 1 single minute. What did I ever do to you? I ask you, what did I ever do to you? Nothing. What did I do to anyone in this world? Nothing. I was just living my life which the people cannot resist. ने? और मैं फंसने वालों में से नहीं है बाबा. Some people फंस जाते हैं जाल में, हम नहीं फंसते. समझे? हाँ, पर देखो बाबा, शेर को शावा शेर कभी कभी मिलता ही है. तो ऐसा नहीं कि हमको कोई फंसा नहीं पाए. गोली मार के चला गया, मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा, शक्ल तक नहीं देखा. तो एनीवेज, चलो, जो हो गया जो हो गया. गोली लग गई, शाहरुख खान भी ठीक हो गए है अभी. और लेकिन भलते को गोली लग गई थी तो उसने उसकी गोली निकाल दी, समझे. उसने क्या बोलते, उसकी ज़िंदगी सेटल हो गई, उसको मालूम नहीं, समझे. उसको गांड पे लात पड़ते ही किसी ने सहारा दिए, समझे. उसको गांड पे लात मारी किसने, जिसने उसका इस्तेमाल कर लिया. पर हुस्न मलिका ने उनको संभाला, उनको वापस जीना सिखाया. नहीं तू सांस ले. सांस क्या, बहू भी ले. Look, my jokes are very venture this thing. That's why I don't speak in Hindi. My Hindi is complete within 30 seconds. तेरी माँ की venture and all this stuff starts. So that's why. And I तो मैं ऐसा किसी से बात करने का बोले तो pretend नहीं कर सकता ना. जैसा है वैसा है. जैसे देने का डिटेल्स देने का वैसा देने का. वो कैसे, मैं कोई क्या बोलते हैं, जो ढोंग चलता है ना कि फॉर्मली पहनने का, टाई पहनने का, तो वो मैं वैसा नहीं है, इसलिए मैं ऐसा है, समझे. हम वैसे नहीं है दोस्त. तो जो जितने भी महिला थे वो इस कैंप के अंदर वो जीत गई है मर्दों के अगेंस्ट. क्योंकि उनके घर के अंदर रहने वाले मर्द ट्रांस प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स है। वही वही बताएंगे वो एंड में पैसा क्यों आया सचिन, वही बताएंगे। Those are the transhookers, the men from their house, वही बोलना है उनको। क्योंकि सेक्स वीडियोस आर मेड विद ट्रांस इन देयर ओन प्रोस्टिट्यूशन रैकेट। वेस्ट वालों का, यहाँ का देखो, यहाँ के बारे में मेरे को मालूम नहीं, जिस चीज़ के बारे में मालूम नहीं मैं बात नहीं करता कभी। They were doing the expenses, showing the expenses in prostitution, that's it. Prostitution which also holds call girls records as well. तो यहाँ के लोग अगर कनेक्ट हो गए, देखो prostitution एक ऐसा बिजनेस है, it's a hidden secret running in a society in every area, every territory, which you have no clue. In content affair it's there. So if you read that stuff you will come to know. आर्टिकल में भी है ना 2017 में, आर्टिकल में भी है। There is a, it's a secret thing which is never to be exposed, never, and I don't want to, but those that people, those that particular that secret society came after me, so I have to to save myself. उनका बिजनेस चल रहा है, मैंने कभी इंटरफियर भी नहीं किया, बट टू सेव माई सेल्फ आई हैव टू गिव द रियल थिंग। लुक, इट्स द वन हु इज एक्यूजिंग मी, दे आर मेकिंग न्यूड्स इन देयर ओन प्रोस्टिट्यूशन रैकेट। तो ये मेरा थिंग है। अगर ये वो मेरा पीछा छोड़ दे तो मैं उनके बिजनेस से मेरा क्या लेना देना है? मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है। आई गो बैक टू माई लाइफ, गो बैक टू माई फक्स, समझे? दे आर continuously coming after me, that's why I have to. They are not leaving me, they have not left me at such an extent that I have to give copyrights to the entire country, because wherever I go it keeps on happening, so I have to do that stuff, and after that दंगे का भी कुछ माहौल नहीं रहेगा। They have done at such a level, that secret society has done this at such a level कि मुझे copyrights I have to give it to the entire country now. They will not, they will always be after me. Everyone will always be after me. And don't say anything to anyone, okay? I don't know that those are the people involved in this hidden bugs, and so देख रहे तो सब करते तो सब है, देख रहे तो सब है। वो इज द रियल क्रिएटर, वो असली मालूम किसको नहीं मालूम। शायद से तुम्हारे ही घर में किसी को मालूम पड़ गया ना वो इज़ द क्रिएटर, तुम्हारे घर वाले ही उसको मार डालेंगे, तुम्हारे खुद के आपस के घर वाले। क्योंकि जो इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, जो नहीं देखता है, जो इस चक्कर में नहीं है, वो तुमको नॉन स्टॉप नोटिस कर रहा है कि तुम्हारे ऊपर इस चीज़ का क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, इस चीज़ का क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, वो तुमको देख रहा है। शायद उसको पता चल गया ना कि ये क्रिएटर का नाम, वो मार डालेगा उसको, मैं बिना बोले। मैं तो क्या, वो उसके घर वाले बोलेंगे ये तो बेंचो विक्टिम है बेचारा, इसने क्या किया, इसने उल्टा खुद के बचाए भी और सबको एक्सपोज भी किया, और दंगा ना हो वो भी देखा उसने। तो पर जिसने ये चालू किया, ये इतने लेवल तक बर्बादी जो चालू की है, उसको कौन को इंसान का खुदा भी माफ़ नहीं करेगा उसको, समझे?